How to find SMTP server in Outlook. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to find SMTP server in Outlook. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook. On the left-hand side, click on File. Under the File menu, click on Account Settings. Then, select Manage Profiles. In the Manage Profiles window, click on Email Accounts. And this will show you a list of your configured email accounts. Select your email account, then double-click on it. A new window will appear showing your email settings. Look for the outgoing mail server. This is your SMTP server address. You can now copy it and use it wherever needed, like for apps, plugins, or custom setups. And that's it. You have now found your SMTP server in Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.